What's up, XRP holders? This is a big trap. I was doing some research. I came across a pattern that happened in 2017, which looks extremely similar, identical, almost too perfect to be true to what we're right now seeing here in 2025. I don't want you guys to get fooled. I don't want you guys to give up on the exact floor, the exact bottom. So in this quick video, I will show you exactly what happened in 2017 and what is most likely happening right now once again. I will also talk about what the whales are currently doing, because this can also give us a very clear indication into what we should expect here. We should always follow the smart money. So let's talk about it. First, of course, like the video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm right here on the monthly time frame for XRP. Every candlestick on this chart is 1 month, and on the left hand side of the screen you can see the price action from 2016 roughly all the way to 2018. That was actually this bull run for XRP, so I hope you can see it. And on the right hand side you can see the current price action for XRP. So this bull run actually started, you could say, in 2024 and is right now still going on. We are shaping higher highs with higher lows, right? And XRP is still holding at a high level, $2.13 here from the point of recording. Now, what is interesting here and what happened in 2017 was actually this pattern for XRP. So we had an initial massive rally to the upside back in 2017. Eventually that rally ended and XRP started to consolidate for, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row before the next major pump happened. And if you're wondering, that major pump that happened after the consolidation, what kind of pump was that? Well, that was actually a 15 or a 16x for XRP, this monthly candle alone, just to show you what could happen here going forward in 2025. Right now, guys, in this current bull run, we have a similar situation going on. We had this initial major pump for XRP. We went from below 50 cents to $3.40. That marked the local top, and since then we have been consolidating here also within this symmetrical triangle pattern for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months once again. So history is most likely not exactly gonna repeat, but somewhat gonna rhyme here in the coming, I would say, weeks and months for XRP. And if you look at 2017 and if you look at the current bull run, you have to say this pattern looks exactly similar, identical to what happened in 2017. So guys, I do think that this is actually one of the worst times to give up on XRP. We are consolidating at a high level. We had a major pump. This is normal price action. Everyone once again is giving up at the exact end of the consolidation. You can see that this consolidation phase is going to end very soon, by the end of this month. And then we are most likely going to see a decision from the XRP price. Now, probability wise, there is a much higher probability that XRP will break to the upside instead of to the downside, simply because we are in a higher high, higher low structure. You can't deny that the trend is clearly up, and we should go with the trend unless proven otherwise, in my personal opinion. And also due to the fact that retail interest is currently at bear market levels. Typically massive rallies in crypto, they always start from a point when retail interest is not there and when no one actually expects a rally or believes in a rally, and when there is a lot of bearish news. Now, currently all the ingredients are there for a massive XRP rally. The next thing that I want to show you here is on XRP's 3 daily time frame. And guys, if you disagree with me or anything, let me know in the comments. But the next thing that I want to show you is on XRP's 3 daily time frame. So every candlestick here is 3 days, and this is the current price action from the rally that started in November to the current price. And what is interesting, in a consolidation phase from July or August until the beginning of November, that was exactly 108 days for XRP. And what you can see right now is that the consolidation phase, which actually started beginning of December, has been going on for 201 days in a row so far. So you could say that the next rally that is going to start after this consolidation phase is going to be twice as big as the rally that we have seen in November, December, January for XRP. Is it going to be twice as big? I don't know, guys, but there is a case to be made here, because this this consolidation has been going around for almost twice the amount of time compared to the consolidation from 2024. So also keep that in mind. And guys, the last thing that I want to show you is actually what the XRP whales are doing right now. But before I do that, if you want to purchase or trade XRP or any other altcoin, I can highly recommend Phemex or BTCC. The links are down below in the video description. A 10% deposit bonus over on BTCC and a 20% deposit bonus over on Phemex. Also keep in mind that these exchanges have been around for a long time. BTCC has been around for more than 13 years, so it's very suitable for trading or spot buying. Check it out if you're interested. Now, looking what the XRP whales are doing, what you can see right here is actually the data from Binance exchange inflow measured in US dollars. And what is interesting is that we had a lot of inflows back in December last year, also in January, and also back in November. But right now, as you can see, guys, smart money isn't selling. You can see that there are barely any inflows here over on the Binance exchange, and I think we should follow what the smart money is doing. And since they're not selling at this stage, since they're not interested in selling XRP around the $2 zone, guys, I think we shouldn't sell either. I think we should follow smart money. That is at least what I am doing. I think the next rally higher for XRP is just a matter of time, probability wise. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Of course, if you want to have access to my trade signals, then check out my signal group completely for free. I started it in collaboration with Phemex because I believe that the opportunity in crypto is right now here, and I want to share my exact strategy going forward. There's also a community chat where you can talk to me or to the other members. Check it out if you're interested. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I'll see you very soon in the next XRP update. Bye bye.